How to start driving for Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can start driving for Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically start driving for Uber Eats, you have to sign up as a driver on Uber. So you have to download this application called Uber Driver that is available on Play Store and App Store as well. So once you download this app, open it up and it will ask you to log into your normal Uber account. So you don't have to create a separate account, you can simply log into that existing account. And once you log into that account, it will ask you to simply fill in this little form here, which will require your profile photo, your driving license, your vehicle insurance, the registration certificate, and the vehicle commercial permit. So you can simply go ahead and tap on the profile photo and then you'll be able to select your profile photo. You can also simply go ahead and select all of the other documents and then you'll be able to fill them. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically get and start driving for Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.